Dr. Mukul sangmau no ilam ka kenhun ki emeli ka seng Congress ulong bau mitrong ba ka sarkar jela ba menta Conrad ki sangma ulong kum nongñiah kali bo thurmur. Habakran hakilat pathai kubor hadien ke jelang ka kenhun ki emeli hakakat prat rek nalar arja huai Dr. Mukul sangma ulong ba ka seng Congress kan thoh ki seng sainpyrthei ki bodan hak sarkar ban iatreilang pan plai im ya ka jelang.
Today the CLP collectively appeal to all our beloved citizens to contribute in their respective capacities for restoring normalcy and restoring peace and sustaining the peace. I have always said restoration, which is an offshoot of a collective hard work, must be sustained. Therefore, sustaining it in the best interest of our children and grandchildren and the future generation should be our responsibility. So just because the government has messed up, we should not allow the state to suffer. We should not allow our people to suffer. What is required is only to correct. The people who are driving the state, I was one day, told by my office, sir, these few delegations who have come from abroad, who were sent for seeing Cherrapunji, they wanted to talk to me. I was in the midst of meeting, so not receiving my phone, not attending to my phone. So I was intervened by my office staff, and there I was told they want to talk to you urgently. When I spoke, they said, sir, can you tell the driver to, drive cautiously? We are so scared. The way he's driving, we are so scared. We refuse to get into the same car. And they refused to go in the same car because the driver was reckless. Apparently, they were repeatedly requesting the driver. The driver wouldn't listen. So ultimately, they requested the driver, insisted that he stops. And when he stopped, there were other vehicles following, these license officers following. Then they said, no, we want to talk to CM. So then that's where I was told. I had to agree to change the car because the driver was reckless. This is what is happening in this state now. And we are not talking of an ordinary driver, somebody who is having the steering wheel of the whole state. Friends, I have always shared this concern. What happens if the state sinks? We all sink. We all sink. It is my state, it is your state, it's our state. We have to protect this. We cannot allow this state to sink because then we all will sink. Our message is very clear. On behalf of the CLP and on behalf of all our people who have thrown their support, goodwill behind us, we'll be writing to all the leaders of the political party who are in the government to put our heads together and look at how we can save the state, how we can save the interests of the people, and how we can best serve the people. And that can happen only when there is a course correction. Otherwise, what we have seen is what we all see now.